In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I depill a sweater, aka removing the lint from a sweater, using the GoGo Lint Remover by Ranvoo. Without further ado, let's jump right into this video and get to cleaning our sweaters. You know that favorite sweater of yours that's sitting in the back of your closet because you've worn it so much that it shows? Well, pull that sweater out and let's get to cleaning it up so you can rock it like you used to. This is a side-by-side, a before and after of my sweater. You can see on the before side, before I use the GoGo Lint Remover, there's so much lint built up. On the after side, once I've used the GoGo Lint Remover, this sweater looks brand new. So in the next few minutes, I'm gonna go over how I like to depill a sweater. I like to start with an up and down motion, really breaking into the top layer of lint. After a ton of wear, it may take several passes to remove all of that built up lint. Eventually, I'll turn the lint remover around to where I'm working horizontally on the fabric of my sweater, just trying to tidy up what I missed in my previous pass. And like I said, you may need to repeat this process depending on how much lint is built up on your garment. And for this particular sweater, there was a ton, so I had to repeat several times. Okay, I made it to my sleeves, and what I found that works great is carefully pulling on the fabric to stretch it out, really making it easier to get in all the nooks and crannies. When I'm depilling a sweater, I usually like to work on the collar, cuffs, and hem of my sweater last, and I'll show you why. So here, I'm removing any lint that's built up around my cuffs, and I'm also catching bits and pieces from the inside that like to peek out. So not only do you get pilling on the outside of your sweater, but on the inside as well. The reason I choose to do the collar, cuffs, and hem last is because I like to go on the inside and get all the lint built up underneath. That way, it's not peeking out when I wear it. Here you can see I'm removing lint from the hem of my sweater. I learned pretty quick that when this particular lint remover is full of lint, it will automatically shut off. And that brings me to a point in this video where I'd like to stop for a minute and go over the details of the GoGo Lint Remover by Ranvoo. I have to say, the packaging of this product is exceptional and the box it comes in is very durable. When I open it up, the first thing I see is a protective bag or pouch wrapped in plastic that has a drawstring to close it up to keep the device protected when not in use. Under the protective bag is the lint remover itself wrapped in plastic. This lint remover has two settings, a low and a high setting. It's very sleek and modern looking. Further opening the box, under the lint remover are two extra blades, a charger, and a lint brush for cleaning the device after and during use. There is also a manual and an instructional card on how to remove the lint from the device. Now that you know how to remove the lint from the device, let's go over how to remove the blade nets so you can remove the trapped lint and clean the blades. Just unscrew the blade nets and pull the blades from the lint remover, and make sure to be careful doing this as the blades are very sharp. Now you can pluck out all that trapped lint under the blades. You're going to want to do this once you're done using the lint remover, and grab that lint brush because it makes it so much easier to clean up the blades. Okay, so I finished removing the lint from this sweater and it looks brand new. Let's just take a quick look. Now this sweater is all cleaned up, I can start wearing it again with the confidence I had when it was brand new. let's get to cleaning up another sweater. This is a sweater that used to get a ton of wear but has been on hiatus for around a year now. It's a store-bought cardigan that's 98% acrylic and 2% polyester. So for this garment, I don't have to be as careful as I did with my hand-knit wool sweater. Just look at the front of this sweater. It has so much lint built up from being worn. Let's clean it up. I'm basically just attacking the side of the cardigan, really just trying to speed up the process of removing the lint, and in the matter of 30 seconds, all the lint has pretty much been removed from this side. This is what my cardigan looks like after I removed all the lint. It's basically brand new and now one of my favorites to wear. So all in all, I think this is the best lint remover I've ever used, and it's at a very affordable price. So if you're looking for a lint remover to remove all the unwanted lint from your sweaters, your garments, or any other kinds of fabrics, I recommend the GoGo Lint Remover from Ranvoo. Make sure to get the discounted price by purchasing through the link in the description box below for 15% off when purchasing the lint remover from Amazon from now till December 28th. Apply the discount code 15GoGoLint during checkout, or get 10% off using my discount code rossknits by purchasing through ranvoo.com/rossknits. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching my process on how I depill my sweaters, and I hope you enjoyed the product review on the GoGo Lint Remover. For anybody who celebrates the holidays, happy holidays and happy new year. If you haven't already and you like knitting, you like yarn, check out my podcast right here. I just started it, and let me know what you think, okay? I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye.